In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in Google Slides. Whether you're designing a presentation for work or school, knowing how to add links can enhance your slideshow and provide viewers with additional resources or websites to explore. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you need to go to Google Slides. You can easily find it by navigating through your browser or typing in Google Slides into your search engine. Once you arrive, the next step is to sign into your Google account. This step is important because only with a Google account can you access and create presentations in Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, just go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. From here you have a couple of options. If you want to start a new project, simply click on Blank Presentation. Alternatively, you can choose from a variety of templates that Google provides. Great if you're looking for something with a bit more design and structure already in place. Either way, select your working canvas and get ready to start creating. Now let's move on to embedding hyperlinks into your presentation. Begin by choosing an image or text you want to link. Select it by clicking directly on the item. You'll see a blue outline that confirms your selection. This is crucial as you'll only be able to link items that are actively selected. With your item selected, look towards the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Link. This option opens up a dialog box designed for hyperlink insertion. You'll now need to insert the actual link. Copy the URL of the website or resource you're interested in and paste it into the dialog box provided. Be sure to double check that the URL is correct. Small errors in the address can lead to broken links, which we certainly want to avoid. Once you're satisfied, all you need to do is click Apply. Congratulations, you've successfully added a hyperlink to your Google Slides presentation. Now when you present your slides, your audience can click on the linked text or image to directly access the external content you've chosen. This small but mighty addition can make your presentations much more interactive and informative. With these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly enhance your Google Slides presentations and make them more engaging. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to look through our other tutorials to further advance your presentation skills. Until next time, happy sliding!